Hi there, welcome back to Getting to Know Your Software 15 minutes at a time. We're going to look at Cricut canvas and we're going to look at creating a design with 2 or 3 different colors. I've taken a fairly easy design just to give you the concept so that you can understand how it's done. So let's start. Clear page, new project. We start with a new project and we go to upload. Now I've already downloaded a couple of pictures, so I'm going to go to my downloads and I'm going to choose the umbrella. Now what is nice about a PNG design is that this has already got my background faded out, so I could just take it, select it and virtually go right through. And if I preview it, I can see this is going to be my base layer, so we can say OK and we want to save it there, and I'm going to call this my black layer, or my base. Let's call this black layer, and I'm going to save it. Oops, look how I spelled black there, and upload. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to go through that process again. This time, however, I'm going to select my umbrella, and I'm now going to select my colors. And the particular one I want to select right now is I'm going to take my magic wand and I'm going to remove my black. Now I can do this 2 different ways, and I'm going to do this the easiest way right now. Is I'm going to say, you know what, I want to keep my blue, so I'm going to take away everything I don't want, which right now is my handle, my second color here. I want to just remove this quickly. And very carefully just clean that up. And this is how you would clean up a design. So if you looked at it in your preview, everything you see there is going to still cut. So I need to take all this away, because all I want right now really is my blue layer. So I'm going to remove everything that shouldn't be there. I want to just remove this line here quickly. So let's just take this out. I'm working with a mouse pad, so my hand is not as smooth as it would be if we were using a mouse. Great. Now I can go through and I can say, you know what, I like this. I'm going to save this as my blue layer. I'm not worrying about the color right now because I can sort all that out just now. So I'm going to write blue. And we're going to upload that. And we're going to continue doing that for each color. So basically I'm going to select my umbrella again. I'm going to make it a simple design. And this time all I'm going to keep is my yellow. I'm going to take all this away. I'm going to just grab my eraser. I'm going to make it bigger just so we can do it quicker. And I'm going to just take away all the extra lines that I don't need. And remember, if you make a mistake, you can always go to your undo button here. Like I've just done there. Just want to undo there. I just went a little bit too close. I want to make it a little bit smaller, just easier to handle. And remember, we can make our screen bigger. So if you're really battling, make your screen bigger, it's going to be a lot easier for you. And there we are. Preview, we're happy with that. Let's go through. We're going to select this one and we're going to call this our yellow layer. I'm going to use my wand. I'm going to take everything away except my handle. Now I can do this and just really wipe it out quickly. Mainly because I know my handle is funny how we hold our breath when we do this. It's crazy. I do. My mother always laughs here when I'm doing artwork because I hold my breath. Okay, and this is our brown layer. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move my laptop quickly. There we go. And we're going to save this layer as our brown layer. Now I'm going to select all my layers. There they are, 4 layers. And I'm going to insert them. Now you can see the green line running across my screen, so it is busy importing. Sometimes it can take a bit of a time to do this, so let's just click here and let's just move our pieces out so that you can see what we're doing. Okay, now I know that this piece has got to be brown, so I'm going to change my color up here and I'm going to make it brown. And this one needs to be blue or red or green or yellow, whatever color you want to make it. And this one needs to be whatever color you want to make it. Then you can take it and position it back. And there you are. Select all, group it, and I can now save it as my umbrella. And I'm going to put this just in a Kelly Roche Studio file. And there it is. So that was pretty quick. I think that took us probably, about 5, 6, 7 minutes to do. But that is how we would separate it. Now when we put it through to our Make It, it will automatically put it into the mats for each color. I hope you found this useful.